Is that you, Fly? No. No good.
Well, my little smart Alec sardine. Catfish got your tongue. You didn't have any potion. Oh, no. You just wouldn't cooperate. Empty. Oh well. We can always make some more. Or you can die.
I'll smash it if you come any closer!
Stop!
Not another inch!
Now. Calm down. Let's not be too hasty here.
Let Stella and Chuck go! Then we'll talk.
No, Fly. For once, think before you speak.
Why not just eat the little jerks? We don't need no potion. We're smart enough already.
My dear friend, my loyal commander, did you understand anything I told you about my society of exceptionally intelligent fish?
Oh yeah, I get it. Intelligent fish.
You got it? Good. Now get this. You're fired, you brainless, sawtoothed seaweed sucker! My good friend, we have a job vacancy. Perfect for you. Commander of my minions, leader of this impressive group of idiot fish.
Sir, permission to speak, sir! If I could just have a moment of your valuable time, sir, I think I know just the right cramp for the job!
Shut up! If I wanted your opinion, I'd give it to you.
Sir, yes, sir! I mean, sir, no, sir! I mean, right, sir!
This job is too important for a chowder head like him. No, I need fresh talent around here. You, for example. All you have to do is give me the potion.
That does it! You promised! You did!
You're taking this the wrong way.
Here's our chance.
Really?
Let's move!
And how should I take it?
They're getting away!
You stay put!
Fly! Drop it or I'll kill you!
Forget commander! Now I'm the ruler! I'm king! Ha! Troops, take your orders from me now! I'm the one with the brains!
Fly.
I'm in charge!
Are you okay?
Salute me!
Why? You got a tummy ache?
Don't worry about me, Stella. I'll be fine. Really.
Why? Help!
Huh? The Royal Brewers! I've got plans for you! Company! Lock up the prisoners! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6! 1, 2, 3, 4...
Make a run for it. You can still swim. The crabs can't. Is there any such thing as a twister underwater?
Nobody's gonna mess with me! You promised that I was in charge of the army!
I'm in charge!
This may not be the best time for this conversation!
I'll get the orders! I'm king! I'm boss! Ruler of the...
I'm calling the shots! You might be the one with the brains, but I'm the one with the muscle!
We've got to fix it. Fast!